Hydrojetting time. Literally this morning I was at Jay's Plumbing and Repair and got this bad boy installed. Gorlitz Go 4 or 5,000, something like that. The big boy. Let me show you the rig. So I got the 1/4-inch reel right here that I can take into houses, and I can hook this up to the 3/8 reel, which is this right here. And then I got the hose reel right here. And originally we were going to mount this, but decided not to. We just kind of strapped it in the back, and I can take it out if I need to, and I can take that out if I need to. I got the 1/8-inch hose, so pretty stoked about that. If you don't know about Jay's, it's in Chatsworth. You should check it out. Good guys. Definitely popped it. I mean, dude, what in the world? Those aren't even wipes, bro. Those look like paper towels, dude. Golly. So we pretty much got the stoppage, but look at that dislocate right there. Look at that. See the jetter? That's the jetter head right there. And I kept getting it stuck on something, and that's it right there. And that's where the roots are really coming in. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, dude. Look how bad that is. Okay. Anyway, very satisfied with the old jetter.